Are you waking up with lower back pain? I'll show you the 3 most common sleeping positions, what's wrong with each, and how to fix them instantly. Let's start with sleeping on your back. This is actually a good position, but most people do it wrong. The biggest mistake? Too many pillows. That pushes your head forward and strains your neck. Another problem? No support under your knees, which increases the arch in your lower back. That's because your hip flexors stay slightly tight, pulling your pelvis forward. Here's how to fix it. Use a thinner pillow so your neck stays in a neutral position, and place a pillow under your knees. This helps relax your lower back and keeps your spine aligned. Next, side sleeping. This is the most common position. The problem here is usually poor alignment. If your top leg drops forward, it twists your pelvis and puts stress on your lower back. Another common issue, because your hips are wider than your torso, your pelvis stays higher while your torso sinks into the mattress. That creates a side bend in your spine and puts stress on your lower back over time. Here's how to fix it. Place a pillow between your knees to keep your hips level and prevent your pelvis from rotating. Also add a small pillow to support your torso and maintain your spine in a straight, neutral position. Now, sleeping on your stomach. This is the worst position for your spine. Your neck stays rotated for hours, and your stomach sinks into the mattress, which causes your lower back to arch excessively. Another thing that happens is, if your hamstrings are tight, they can also pull on your pelvis, adding even more strain. All of this combined makes stomach sleeping the least supportive position for your back. But if you can't stop sleeping this way, here's how to make it better. Place a pillow under your hips to reduce pressure on your lower back. You can also add a small pillow under your shins to slightly bend your knees. This helps relax your hamstrings and reduces strain on your pelvis, making the position a bit safer for your spine. Let's quickly recap and rank these sleeping positions. The best option is side sleeping, if you keep your body properly aligned. Next is sleeping on your back, which works well with the right support. And last is sleeping on your stomach, which puts the most stress on your spine, so it's best to avoid it if you can. No matter which position you choose, proper support and alignment make all the difference. Before we finish, one last tip. Your sleeping position is important, but how you get out of bed matters just as much. So here's a simple way to get out of bed safely and protect your spine. Start by bending your knees. Then bring one arm across your chest toward the edge of the bed and use it to roll onto your side. From here, push through your hand and elbow to lift your upper body, while at the same time swinging your legs over the edge of the bed. This way, you avoid putting unnecessary strain on your lower back and keep your spine in a safer position. That's it from this video. If you found these exercises helpful, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips to support your spine and move pain-free.